The heartbeat sound you hear with a stethoscope is mainly due to the closing of the heart valves. The sound is described as lub-dub, lub-dub, and it continues. To understand this sound, we need to know about 4 valves of heart. 2 valves, tricuspid and mitral, are between atria and ventricles, collectively called as atrioventricular or AV valves. The other 2 aortic and pulmonary valves are collectively called as semilunar valves, located at the base of aorta and pulmonary artery. The first sound, lub, is caused by the closing of the atrioventricular valves. This happens when both ventricles contract simultaneously. This closing of AV valves prevents the backflow of blood from ventricles back into atria. This snap shutting of valves produces a lub sound. Second sound, dub, is caused by the closing of the semilunar valves. This happens when both ventricles relax and blood enters both ventricles. So to avoid backflow from aorta and pulmonary arteries, the semilunar valves shut at once, producing a dub sound. So, the heartbeat sound comes from valve closure, not from the heart muscle itself. If you'd like to understand in detail how the whole circulatory system works along with the heartbeat, make sure to check out my previous video on that topic. I've linked it for you. Thanks for watching.